morning. Happy Vlogmas day, I don't know what day it is, 7. Happy, oh my god, this kid, I just sent him a picture of my note card. We're allowed to have like one note card on the test and that's what I have. And he screenshotted it and I was like, what'd you screenshot? But I remembered. I've been studying all day today. It's like 1 o'clock. I've been studying at my final at 2 and I've just gotten to a point where I'm like, I can't study anymore. Look how many note cards I studied. I've been studying all day. Today I'm going to, after my final, I'm going to like pack up and like go home, but I have a lot of stuff I need to pack up, like my dirty laundry and clothes and then stuff for my trip, and like it's a lot of stuff because like you don't really realize how much stuff you use on a daily basis, and like I'm not gonna be living here for months, so I'm gonna need like all the stuff I use on a daily basis to go home, so it's kind of a lot. I also need to move my furniture because over break they like spray for like bugs and stuff like that, so I need to like move all my furniture a foot away from every wall. And like, how am I gonna move? This is like lying to the wall. Like, how am I gonna move it a foot away from like, wait, that wall and that wall, and like, so yeah. And then I also need to clear out this stuff like on the other person's bed, whoever my new roommate is. Hey new roommate, hope you're nice, please be nice to me. Yeah, so I need to do all that today after my final, and then tomorrow, and then I'm going home and then I'm gonna like do my laundry at home and then pack and all that stuff. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair dyed and then I'm leaving for Florida, so like very busy, chaotic day. Let's do my advent calendar of the day. What is latte? Skin tone optimizer. This advent calendar was not made for my skin tone because this is for medium to dark, and that's not me. That's not me. Even like the packaging is darker than my skin tone. That's okay. Anyone that is medium to dark in my life that wants this, hit me up. See how dark it actually is. Are you actually dark? Oh yeah, that's dark. Yeah, could use it as a bronzer. Maybe too dark. What's 20 and what's 13? Also, since I'm gonna be gone for a few days, should I just like open all the advent calendar before I leave? Should I do that? Because I kind of want to do that.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's.
Just took my comm final. Oh my god, my sweet mates turned the air conditioning off. Thank god. It's been so cold in here. I just did my communication final and she would like let us do it in groups. So everyone's like, yay, woohoo, like we're gonna do it in groups. And we weren't allowed to talk when we were doing it, so it was like a silent quiz, so you could do like hand gestures or whatever. And I swear to god, I was like the only person that knew this stuff. Like I knew it so well because I like studied for a long time. I like read the book. I have to finish packing and like moving everything. I need to take a thumbnail of this. I also need to edit, I guess, yesterday's vlog, so I'm gonna do that really quickly, then finish packing and everything. I'll probably be home super late, so I'm really annoyed about that, but like whatever.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will.
Okay, here's the progress that I made. This is just like my backpack filled with stuff, and then because I also need to bring stuff to pack like for my vacation tomorrow. This is just a mess. I like cleared all that stuff off. My suitcase is just like a bunch of random stuff, my shower stuff because I don't have any of my shower stuff at home. Blanket that I'm bringing home, my hydro that I don't ever use here, so I'm bringing home. Keys, my advent calendar, the stuff I need to bring home. Those are both dirty clothes. You know, like put the rest in trash bags and take that out, and then I condense all of this into that side. I'm exhausted. I don't know if there's anything else I'm forgetting. I hope not. There's a little parking lot outside my dorm, so hopefully there's a parking spot in there that I can park. Like the parking garage is so far away and there's no way I'm carrying all this stuff that far. I might park illegally, there's not, but the last thing I need to do is put down those blinds, so I'll probably do that the last thing. I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi! No, come back, come back, come back. No.
I don't think it should.
Hello. Do not wipe your eye boogers on me. Zoe, come back. These are all for my sister. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, don't wipe your butt on the carpet. Hi. Hello.
I don't think we should wash it all.
Why?
Because I think
So you think I shouldn't wash my clothes?
I mean, that's dry.
I'm not dry cleaning that. What? Hi. Where's Zoe? Hello. Wait, you moved the chair back? Why'd you move the chair here?
Because someone needs to lay under something.
You've got to be kidding me. Do you see that? I can't reach you. I would love to play with you, but I can't. Did you have a washing machine when you were growing up?
At home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought those didn't exist for a while.
No.
When did washing machines become a thing? Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do they use? Like a washboard?
Yeah, do they like dry stuff or do they do the clothespins?
Both.
She really not gonna come? Zoe!
Really cute.
Hi! Oh, come on! No, you just made me drop my vlog camera! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm excited to be home. I'm literally here for one night and then I go to Florida. So I actually have some really exciting things for tomorrow. So get pumped. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye!